Sean, that goes on all weekend, and I guess they're not getting rain in Anaheim.
I'm going to go ahead and guess you enjoyed doing
I
that
do,
report.
yeah. I like
Anaheim should get some rain probably more toward tomorrow. So definitely cooler today, as you can see. Now it's kind of moderating a bit along the central coast as more ocean air funnels in. Not a lot to talk about, but boy, it's, I guess it is if you talk about what we haven't had for the last 2 months or so. There it is, at least a little bit. It looks like more is definitely out there. So the good news is, again, something's happening. As far as any watches right now, only one is winter weather advisory above 4,000 feet, and that will be in play through about early Monday or so, maybe midday Monday. Right now, a lot of 40s and 50s out there. It will be chilly. This storm is cruising in from the north, and again, a west wind for now, but a lot of northerly flow on this, and that means that we are bringing in some chilly air and a lot of a very saturated atmosphere. It took time for this to happen because we were just so bone dry just yesterday and the days before, and so now we're starting to fill it back in, which is really good news. And boy, if you go across the country, if you are traveling, bring that jacket. It continues to stay very cold for much of the nation. They are expecting some moderation along the East Coast, but boy, look at that. Those are your high. Those are your current temperatures right now. 15 degrees. Also wind. I'm sure it feels a lot colder in Minneapolis. Here's the low right here. The trajectory is mostly over land, but it is close enough to the ocean as it scoots down the coast that it is dragging up some moisture. We were worried about a week ago or so that this might end up being just another dry situation that runs through the area and we don't see anything from it. But again, it is kicking up some water off the ocean, which is good news. So here we go. All the alerts and watches except for Arizona. Hopefully they'll get some wetness there as soon. But all this is all winter related, of course. Around LA, the Eaton Fire Palisades, they are under flood watches. Otherwise, for us, we should keep this a moderate shower at best. There is a chance, though, there could be some thunder. So we'll watch that through about early Monday before it starts to taper off rapidly. So we'll go ahead and let you see it. And you can see it's really not that well organized. There is a chance for thunder. And every so often you see those yellows. That's the highest cloud tops. So that means we have some vigorous activity there. And then as we head toward late Sunday, early Monday, you can see it coming out of the south. And then as the low scoots to the south, we'll start seeing some threats come from our north and northeasterly side. And every so often something does get over the mountains. So we might get some more rain again through early, maybe midday Monday. Rain totals, this is probably the best of what we need right now. We obviously need a lot, but we need to really sort of spread it out for obviously the fire concerns. So this might be about the best we can hope for right now, which is good. All right, by next weekend, there's our system right now. By next weekend, another one knocks on the door. There it is right there, bringing in another slight chance of sprinkles, and that would be by about late Friday going into the weekend. All right, there's your forecasted highs. For Sunday, it will be a little brisk out there and cool. Shower chances all day long, especially toward the evening, and it will be cold. And of course, we do have to watch out for, again, a scattered chance for thunder across the area. And of course, always watch out for those burn scars. We have too many to mention. Surf will pick up over the next couple of days. Not much to talk about. And there it is. We'll be cool and dry by Tuesday through about Thursday. Another slight chance of sprinkles does show up again as we head toward next weekend. Tracy?
Thanks, Sean. Coming up, Israel and Hamas both have released prisoners.